My background is in polymer engineering, so I have been working for industry for the past 20 years. Helping people is really where it's at, and if you enjoy helping people, if you enjoy imparting on your skills to people, you're definitely going to get job satisfaction out of that. But my name is Alan Harrington. I'm a technical training specialist here. I'm the newest member of the first polymer training team, and I joined back in July 2020.
I was on a training course in Boston, and the trainer on the course suggested after chatting to me I should be a trainer, and I thought that's actually a good career. My name's Steve OLeary. I work as a training consultant with First Polymer Training, and my background, I studied plastics engineering in college in AIT in 1988. I worked as a technician and supervisor in extrusion for 4 years before I joined Boston Scientific in Galway. Worked there as a moulding engineer for a few years, and I joined First Polymer Training as a network manager in the year 2000. I've been working with them since, so 21 years now delivering injection moulding training.
If you try and fill it up here, then you're trying to control this spike in injection pressure that's not going to...
If the hold pressure, will you see that dropping?
And if it depends where it leaks. See, where you'll often find is if you've got a holding pressure ramping up.
We can hold more than one training course at a time, which we could never do before. So we can have injection moulding in one hall. We can have other courses in the other halls, such as electrical maintenance. We offer a wide range of PLC training, from Allen Bradley to Siemens, TIA to SCADA, and we also offer Fanuc robot training, and we offer extrusion training as well. So we can hold two trainings basically in the centre at the same time, which is something we couldn't do in the past.
We're very well connected in the industry because a lot of our ex-trainees are decision makers nowadays. We have a very strong steering group, and they are very well connected in the industry too. So we deliver courses that companies want. Most training courses, especially in-company courses, start with the question, what does your company need the trainees to do that they can't do now? What skill shortages have you got? What do you want them to do? And we devise a training course around that.
One of my roles at First Polymer Training is to work closely with the machine partners. So the likes of JL Gore, who supply the Fanuc machine, also the Arborg machine. They have been supporting First Polymer Training for many, many years. And more recently, we have worked with getting Engel equipment in here, and also Kraus Maffei equipment. What we're doing is training industry on these cutting-edge machines. They're state-of-the-art. The technologies are the newest out there, on the market.
So I deliver 3 injection moulding modules for First Polymer. Module 1 is an overview of the process, the cycle, the mould opening, closing, lockout, mould installation, removal. Module 2 gets more into troubleshooting, data collection, pressure curves, speed profiles. It's easier for trainees to see a 65-inch whiteboard where we can stop it and mark it up than it is to look over my shoulder onto a small HMI unit. And Module 3 is our course where we use scientific injection moulding techniques to set up a mould from scratch. So it's effectively a full tool trial using the benchmark sim study techniques in the industry. So recently we had to move all our training online. So we quickly set up as an online delivery system through Moodle. We've got 4 webcams on the machines showing the mould, the parts, the HMI, push button controllers, and we're delivering training online to trainees all across the country just as we were before. Same content, except it's delivered online.
So we know from the feedback from employers that when the candidate returns to the production floor after completing the modules here, that they're seeing real and tangible benefits to the production process. So the tangible benefits, for example, are leading to increased yield, less scrap waste, and less wear and tear on tool and less damage. And really and truly what the employer is seeing is increased revenues.
One ex-trainee told me he was able to buy presents for his nephews at Christmas because now he was working in the plastics industry. Previous to that he'd been unemployed. So I've had a few excited telephone calls over the years telling me they got jobs, and it's very rewarding.